I need to write 1,000 thank you notes and want to use a typewriter. What model would you recommend? Using a typewriter for thank you notes, 1,000 thank you notes, that's a bit much. Let's see what it says. Writing 1,000 thank you notes on a typewriter is quite an undertaking. Okay, that is true. The choice of typewriter largely depends on your preference for modern or vintage models, the comfort of use, and availability of supplies. So it's going to town telling me which typewriter I need to use. I don't know. If you're asking a friend this question, I would kind of expect them to say, well, you could do that on a typewriter. Maybe you just like using typewriters, but a computer might be a quicker option, more user-friendly option. And